Howdy everyone, this is a tutorial on how to find your MyStatLab homework and quizzes through Canvas. Normally you'll find all of your assignments that are coming up listed here on the right side of the page. Another way you can get in, if you don't see it there or don't like to go that route, is to click the link for modules here on the left side of the page. Scroll down to where it says MyStatLab Homework, and then follow the links right here. And you'll see all of your homework listed as well as their due dates. Now you saw back on that previous page, there was also a button to click to go to MyStatLab Quizzes and Tests. But if you're on the homework page here, you can click this little drop down up here at the top that says Homework. Select Quizzes and Tests, or All Assignments if you just want everything all there at once. And it'll take you to the page where you can find all of the quizzes that are currently available along with their due dates. Alright, now you know how to find your homework and quizzes.